Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartWatchRadar. Today, I'm comparing two powerful Garmin smartwatches, the brand new Forerunner 970 and the rugged Fenix 7X Pro Solar. The Forerunner 970 brings exciting new features like a mic and speaker, which are missing in the Fenix. But on the other hand, the Fenix 7X Pro Solar stands out with its amazing battery life and tough outdoor design. If you're confused about which one is right for you, stick around. I'll break down all the key differences to help you choose the best one for your needs. Let's get started. So that wraps up the full comparison between the Garmin Forerunner 970 and the Fenix 7X Pro Solar. If you want a sleek design with smart features like calls and voice control, the Forerunner 970 is a great choice. But if you need a tough, adventure-ready watch with long battery life, the Fenix 7X Pro Solar won't disappoint. Let me know in the comments, which one would you pick and why? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smartwatch comparisons every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.